Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Ford Focus SE Hatchback, stock number B9329PA. 69,000 miles on this trade-in. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, shadow black in color. Focus is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back, folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Lots of storage space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices, and a large glove box with all the owner's inside. Under the hood, this Focus has a 2-liter 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And very clean under the hood, as you can see. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 27 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 40 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 80% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.